There's nothing particularly remarkable about the suburban streets of inner Melbourne's Sunshine West until you come across a completely unexpected zoo of plants. Ik Chu is the self-taught trainer and keeper of this Topiarian wonderland, which he's lovingly grown and clipped for the past 18 years into somewhat of a local tourist attraction.
When I go overseas holiday in Thailand, I have a good friend in Bangkok, and he asked me, "What do you like, uncle?" I said, I like garden. Then he took me to go to some garden in Bangkok. Can't believe it, beautiful. I love it. When I get home, always in my mind, I do something in Australia, do in my style.
But did you know how to garden before?
Before I know nothing, because I like it, I love it. I have to find out, I have to think, always thinking about what to do.
Why do you love animals so much?
When I was young, I can see a lot of animals in all my country. Oh, I love it, I love the animal. You have the topiary, you must have the animal. Must be together, make the garden look good.
If I want to make my own animal for my garden, where do I start?
You buy some plant, it will rain, the leaves never fall, in the winter, and small leaves, that's the best, If we want to do the animal, we must have the frame to control it. If we haven't got the frame, then the plant goes follow the sun.
So did you put the frame on top of the plant?
That's correct, The plant will follow here. Then the plant will fill out the frame, just chop it, just trim it a few times, and then keep going. The more we trim, more it's thick.
And do a lot of people come to visit?
Nearly every day, in the weekends more. I can guess they like garden. Okay, and let's go around the back. Oh, it's a surprise, they like it. It makes me very happy when the people are happy.
It seems that Ik's passion is catching on in Sunshine West. Topiary trees are popping up all over the neighbourhood.